Well, it is Sunday. I normally wouldn't be working on a Sunday, but just got back from trip visiting my dad, and I had to do some service actually on the Kubota for tomorrow because this rig, we are drilling in the morning. The drill rig is on. This will go, and casings over there and the drill bits and stuff, but basically down here getting had to top off some hydraulic fluid and all the grease points, spinning it, getting on the turntable, getting everything greased for tomorrow, so I'm not holding up anything. But you can see the plan is tomorrow we are going to drill to each side of the wall, and that low part, it's twisted this way from Hurricane Helene or Tropical Storm Helene, whatever, it damaged us to pieces. So we don't care what it's called. It was a mess for us, a disaster. But that corner over there, that along that wall to that corner needs raised up. So we're going to drill on each side of that wing wall on the other side of the bridge, front and back. Install casings down to bedrock, and that's going to be part of the channel. That's the lift system that we're going to put on that. So should be some interesting video coming. We'll see how it goes. There's no exact manual on this, so we're putting some physics and things together and some equipment we know, and a really good friend that has this equipment, that smart fella. But we're putting our heads together and going to try to get this fixed for my neighbors that live up here, and we've all went together. We've actually gotten our help from FEMA finally after 8-9 months, however long it's been, since September 27th. But we do have some money to finally fix. I mean, this was all taken out before. There's already some grass here, but this was all gone, 4 to 5 foot deep. All that's gone. You couldn't even get across the bridge. Log jams across through here. The entire main road was gone up here, totally disappeared. That's a new house over there. Just the entire valley on top of that road, across the entire valley here, was all flooding. But we're gonna win it back tomorrow. So I'll try to video and post this when I can, some updates. I don't know how many parts it'll be, so I'm not even going to label it parts yet. But now it's time to go rest on the 7th day and be with my family for a few minutes. It didn't take real long, but I had to get this done before morning. But y'all have a blessed day, and I will see you soon.